Look, if you're sitting there right now, scrolling through YouTube, trying to figure out how to actually make real money online, this video is gonna change everything for you. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you to dropship random products from China and hopefully get 5% profit margins. I'm gonna show you the exact strategy I'd use if I had to start from $0 today and build my way up to $10,000 per month as quickly as possible. Now, for some context, I've been running my own online business since my early 20s, and I've had days where I've made multiple thousands of dollars in profit. I'm not telling you this to brag, I'm saying this because I want you to know what I'm about to share with you actually works in the real world. This isn't theory, this is what I've lived and what I've seen work over and over again. Here's what most people get wrong. They think they need some crazy unique idea, or that they need to invent the next Facebook, or need thousands of dollars to start. That's not necessarily true. The fastest way to make money is to leverage what you already have right now, today in your brain. So here's where I'd start if I was you. I'd ask myself one simple question. Is there knowledge I have or skill I have that I could monetize? And look, I'm not talking about being the world's best at something. I'm talking about being decent enough that you can help someone else who's behind you. Let me break this down for you. Let's say you've been investing in real estate for a while and you've been decently successful at it. Well, guess what? There are thousands of people in the world right now who would love to pay you to learn how you did it. They don't care that you're not the biggest real estate investor in the country. They care that you're ahead of them and you can show them the path. Or maybe you successfully graduated and became a doctor. Do you know how many students would kill to have you show them how they can ace their exams too so they can become a doctor as well? That's very valuable knowledge right there. Or hell, maybe you've just been reselling products on eBay and you've been making a few $100s a month on the side. Some people would love that kind of result because they're making zero right now. Now, if you're sitting there thinking you haven't done any of those things, here's what I want you to do. Go provide a service for a business. And I'm talking about high-value services that businesses actually need. Think about lead generation, content creation, running their ads on social media, setting up their sales funnels, etc. Tons of businesses all over the world are bleeding money every single day trying to figure this stuff out. And if you can solve just one of these problems for them, they won't pay you a lot of money, believe me. The key here is that you don't need to be an expert on day one. You just need to be willing to learn fast and deliver results. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, here's the thing that most people miss, and this is gonna separate you from all the broke people out there trying to make money online but who are unsuccessful. The key is to solve a painful problem for your clients. And I mean painful, like keeping them up at night kind of painful. The more painful the problem, the more you can charge. It just makes sense. This is basic economics, but nobody talks about it like this. If you're solving some surface level problem that doesn't really matter, you're gonna get paid surface level money. But on the other hand, if you're solving a problem that's costing them money or sleep or threatening their business or relationships or health, now you can charge serious money. This is what we call selling high ticket offers, and these typically sell from $1,000 to $20,000 plus. Now let me do the math for you real quick so you can see how simple this actually is. If you're selling a $3,000 offer, you only need 4 clients to hit $10,000 a month. 4 clients, that's it. You don't need 1,000 customers. You don't need to go viral on TikTok. You just need 4 people who will pay you $3,000. If you're selling a service, this can be a monthly retainer, which means that money keeps coming in month after month as long as you keep delivering value. And here's where it gets even better. You don't even have to deliver the service yourself. Let me explain this because this is how you actually scale. Let's say you're getting paid $3,000 a month per client for lead generation ads. You could pay someone $1,500 a month to actually handle the ads for your customers while you keep the other $1,500. So you're making $1,500 per client in pure profit without doing the job yourself. Your only job becomes getting more clients and making sure the work gets done right. That's it. And once you understand this, you can scale to 10 clients, 20 clients, etc. The sky isn't even the limit. Now, let's talk about the part everyone struggles with. How do you actually get these clients? Because you can have the best offer in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you're making $0, let's face it. So how do we get high-paying customers? Here is the quickest way to get clients, starting today with no money. Reach out to them directly. Find out what social media platform your ideal client hangs out on. If you're targeting business owners, they're probably on LinkedIn or Facebook. If you're targeting everyone else, well, they're on all social media platforms, so you can pick any one of them. Now, once you know where your people are, start sending as many messages per day as you can. But you need to be careful here, because you don't want to get banned by the platforms. They've got limits, and if you're spamming people constantly, they will shut your account down. Now, the absolute best way to get clients is running ads. This could be Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, whatever platform your people are on. The reason ads are king is because they're predictable. You can literally purchase as many clients as you want, as long as you can do so profitably. If you're spending $500 on ads to get a $3,000 client, that's a no-brainer. You just keep pumping money in and clients keep coming out. But here's the downside and why I'm not telling you to start with the ads. They cost money. And if you're starting from zero, you probably don't have a couple $1,000s to broad testing ads. So start with outreach. Get your first few clients, make some money, then reinvest that into ads. That's the smart play. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Alright, now let's talk about delivery, because this is where a lot of people freak out. You're probably thinking, okay, I sold someone a $3,000 service, now what the hell do I do? Don't worry, I got you. Now, you've got a few options here depending on what it is you're selling exactly. If you're selling a done-for-you service, meaning you're actually doing something for the client, like running their ads or creating their content, you can deliver it yourself or get a remote contractor to do it for you. If you choose to deliver it yourself, it's gonna cost you your time. You're gonna be in the trenches actually doing the work. But if you hire someone, it's gonna cost you money, but it'll free up your time to go and close more new customers, which means you'll earn more money overall. This is the trade you gotta think about. Now, if you're selling business to consumer, which means you're selling directly to regular people and not to businesses, I highly recommend you start with one-on-one coaching on Zoom calls. Why? Because you're gonna get direct feedback from your clients. You're gonna see what works, what doesn't work, what questions they have, what problems they're running into. This is pure gold. Then once you've done this for a little bit and you've collected all this feedback, you turn it into a hybrid model. So now they can get a step-by-step online course that they can go through at their own pace, plus one weekly Q&A call with you, plus chat support where they can message you outside the weekly calls if they have a question. This model is extremely powerful because it gives you leverage. You're not trading time for money anymore. You're serving multiple clients at once while still giving them the support they need to get results. Look, here's the bottom line. Making $10,000 per month is not some impossible dream that only a few special people can achieve. It's a math problem. You need to solve a painful problem for people who've got the money to pay, and you need to package it into an offer that makes sense. You need to get that offer in front of the right people, and you need to deliver on what you promised. That's it. There's no secret sauce. There's no magic formula. There's just doing the work and being consistent. Most people fail because they quit too early, or they're not solving a real painful problem, or they're too scared to charge big money, high-ticket prices. Don't be most people. You have skills, you have knowledge, and if you don't, you can always leverage other people's skills. You have access to the internet. Stop waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect idea. Start reaching out to potential clients today. Start offering your services today. Start building your business today. It's not gonna get any easier tomorrow, and 6 months from now, you're gonna wish you started today. And remember, your future self is literally watching your current choices. So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna take action? Or are you gonna keep scrolling and hoping things magically change? As always, the choice is yours. If you wanna discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.